Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Grace. To start your thrilling journey, simply launch the game on Roblox. Once inside, you'll use the familiar W, A, S, D keys to move around the environment and the spacebar to jump over obstacles. Remember to press the E key to interact with various objects and open many of the doors you encounter as you progress through the rooms. Speed is crucial in Grace, so mastering movement is key. You can slide by pressing C or the left control key, which is essential for fitting through small gaps and kicking open jammed doors. Try combining a slide with a jump to gain extra momentum and move even faster. Your primary objective is to solve environmental puzzles and escape the 8 distinct monsters lurking in each room, all while racing against a timer. As you explore, you'll find various ways to interact with your surroundings. You can equip helpful tools, such as a flashlight or lantern, by pressing the number keys from 1 to 0. Once a tool is equipped, simply click your left mouse button to use it. Keep an eye out for levers and other interactive elements within each room. Activating these is often necessary to unlock the next area and continue your escape. To survive the horrors of Grace, strategic thinking is vital. Each of the 8 monsters has a unique way of hunting you, so learning their patterns is crucial for evasion. Always be on the lookout for hiding spots or environmental cover to temporarily escape their pursuit. Playing with friends in multiplayer can also significantly boost your survival chances, as teamwork can help you overcome the game's many challenges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.